everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelli. So as you already read by today's title, I will be doing a review on Keracare. So in this video, I will be sharing with you day 1 and day 2. So a little backstory on Keracare. So when I colored my hair a little bit over a month ago, I went to Sally's to pick up my hair color. That's usually where I pick up my hair color from. So I contained myself from walking through the aisles where they had all the curly products, because I already have too many products that I have to try and that I just have to use up instead of just buying new products and just collecting everything in my bathroom. But I just took a little glimpse through the aisle, and you know what caught my eye? Colorful gels. So these gels right here caught my eye. They had other colors, so I was like, nope, you're not here to buy hair products. But that was what caught my eye, and I was really intrigued because of the color of the gels. So I was like, you know what?
No, you don't need to buy any hair products.
I just walked away and I proceeded to checking out and just buying what I was there to buy, which was my hair color. So 3-4 days later, I get an email from Keracare. And I looked at the email, I opened the email, read the email, blah, 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 blah. And then I click on the link that they have sent to direct me to their website. And boom, I go to the website and there they are. There were the colorful gels. And I was like, I've seen these somewhere. I couldn't recall where I had seen the gels, but I was like, I have seen those gels. So we exchanged emails and I asked her, where can you find your products? And they told me that you can find them at Sally's. And then it clicked to me and I was like, that's where I had seen those colorful gels, at Sally's. I had done trips to Target and to Sally's, so I couldn't recall where I saw the colorful gels, but when she told me they sold them at Sally's, I was like, that's where I had seen the colorful gels. And this is the brand that reached out to me, so I was super excited. I was just like, this is meant to be. So with that being said, I want to say thank you to Keracare for sponsoring today's video. So I am so excited to try this line out, and the reason for that is because number one, these products are so affordable, because who doesn't love affordable products? Keracare has many hair care lines like the Gelessence. These are the colorful gels that I was talking about. They are made without alcohols, formaldehyde, tetrasodium, parabens, mineral oils, silicone, and they are also cruelty-free. Their gel essence line is under $5. You can find the gel essence line at selected Targets, Keracare.com, and also Sally's. So from the gel essence line, I got the moisturizing gel and also the super hold gel. Later in this video, I'll be using one of these gels and sharing with you day 1 and day 2. But first, I'm going to start off with the Curlessence line. This whole line contains Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil. It's free from sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, silicones, phthalates, and petroleum. The Curlessence line has everything you need for wash day and also for styling. The products are under $8 and you can find them at Keracare.com and also Sally's. So I'm super excited to be trying out this whole line, so let's get to styling. So my hair is already cleansed and clarified and ready to style. So I'm super excited to try out this cocoa water, because this cocoa water can be replaced instead of plain water. So you can use this product instead of water when styling. In the directions it says that you can use this instead of plain water, and you can also use it to refresh your curls. So let me open this. Open. Is it open? Shake it. And we're gonna spray it. This has a very light scent. You can barely smell the coconut in there. Then I'm gonna brush my curls to get that cocoa water through all my hair. Very moisturizing. Okay, next I'm gonna be using their moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Ooh, this is very runny. This smells really good. So it's pretty runny. This is a leave-in. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit, like about that much. Okay, after that, I'm gonna be using the moisturizing curl cream. This is pretty thick, you guys. Okay, this is thick. I love thick creams because they are so moisturizing to my curls. So you guys already know my curls are so dry, so thick cream my curls love. Oh wow, that is thick. She is thick. Ooh, I like this. It smells kind of like the coconut water. It's very light, the scent on it. Next, I'm gonna use the moisturizing curly jelly. I'm always careful with products because I don't know what to expect from their texture. This smells really good. It smells different from all the other products, but I really like it. It smells like kind of like coconut. But yeah, it's a jelly texture. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to drop it because it's very jelly-like. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a little bit. So there you go. So you see the texture. So I'm gonna grab a little bit. Put it down because I don't want to get it all over, but my curls feel very hydrating, so that's a good sign. So the gel is supposed to give, let me see what type of hold this gives. So this is supposed to be,
let me see, coconut oil, nice and moisture, soft.
so it doesn't really say what type of hold it has. It just says gives great hold and frizz-free definition without flaking or leaving behind a chalky cast on the hair. Okay, so I guess I will have to judge it once I have a cast to let you guys know what type of hold that gives me. By the way, my curls are super moisturized. I honestly cannot wait to see the results. Alrighty guys, so I am done styling all my hair. So my curls are super hydrated. I feel like I'm gonna have really good results. So I cannot wait to diffuse my curls and see how they turn out and the hold that this will give me. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the moisturizing cocoa water just to my tips because you know they're very dry, and on the back before diffusing. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit more gel like I always do and just glaze my curls and scrunch lightly. I have really good ringlets already. Like, I already know I'm gonna have really good results. So I'm checking out my dry section, which is this side, and it looks really good, really hydrated. I really don't see frizz. Usually on my dry section, I see frizz before even diffusing, and right now I honestly do not see frizz. Like, that's how hydrated my curls are. Like, these products are so hydrating, so I'm super excited. Alrighty, so I am done diffusing my curls, and check out my curls. So from the cast, I feel like this gives you a medium hold, definitely a medium hold. Cast is not hard, but I feel like this is a medium hold. But you can get away without using an oil. I feel like you can just break the cast just by going lightly like this, because it does give you a light cast just like every other product. My curls are so hydrated. Like, these products are so hydrating. Like I said, my curls love thick creams because they're so dry, but I feel like a little goes a long way. That you can definitely get away without using an oil, but I want to use an oil just to seal in all the moisture. So I'm going to be using the moisturizing oil cocktail. So I think this is sealed. Yes. That smells so good. That smells so good. I love the smell of this oil. I want to say like yogurt, like a strawberry yogurt. It doesn't smell like flowers or anything. It just smells, it smells so good. Honestly, I can't even explain. I'm just gonna use a little bit. Okay, so I want to show you guys my dry section. I usually get frizz right away, and today I don't have frizz. My frizzy part is not that frizzy. Like, you guys can see, these are my like dry strands. They usually get frizz right away after I diffuse. Alrighty guys, so these are my results. So I'm really impressed with these products. Honestly, like, my hair, I feel like it looks so good. I am in love with my hair. The hold is so good, touchable, and my curls feel so soft. It's so hard for me to find moisturizing products because my curls are so dry. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about my day one hair. Honestly, I'm so in love with my curls. They feel so moisturized, and I love the hold. Honestly, like, it's so good. I'm just so impressed. So I'm going out later on, so we're gonna see how these curls are gonna hold up. So I will be showing you day 2 also. Okay, so day 2 curls. I'm just shaking my curls to give them back their shape. Look at these curls though. I went out last night and my curls still look bomb. Usually I add a little bit of oil on day 2, but my curls didn't really need oil because these products already have oils in them, and I just feel like my curls didn't need anything else. So all I did for day 2 curls was use some baby gel clips to keep my curls away from my face, and that was literally it. So later in the week, I used a gel from the Gelessence line to style. I used the cocoa water, the leave-in, and the curl cream again. I used the super hold gel because I love me a strong hold. As I was brushing my curls, I noticed that the product started to clump on my brush. I also noticed a little bit on my hair, but it wasn't a lot, so I wasn't so alarmed. When I was done styling, I noticed product clumps on top of my head, so I glided my hands over the clumps and they dissolved. The first ingredient in these products is water. I've noticed with a few other products that I have that have water as the first ingredient tend to do this, but after diffusing, the clumps dissolve. Once I was done diffusing, the cast wasn't as hard as a stronghold gel. I was surprised because it says it gives you a stronghold, but I feel like the gel was a bit oily for my hair. Plus, I already had the leave-in, the cream, which already have oils in them, which makes them very moisturizing. I feel like with this gel, I can only use the curl cream and the gel, and I don't need any more products. So for that reason, I didn't add any oils. Like I said, the cast was soft, so my curls were fine. Definitely gave me really good definition. As you can see, my curls look really good. And even though the cast wasn't as hard as I thought, the hold was still really good. I had a lot of definition and my curls were really soft. I loved it a lot. Alrighty, so today is day number 2 using the Gelessence. Let me take this off and show you what my curls are currently looking like. So I feel that the Super Hold Gel is a little too greasy for my hair, so I'm not going to be using any oil to refresh my curls. My curls are pretty much fine. I don't need to add anything. Usually on day 2, I would add a little bit of oil, but like I said, I feel like this gel is a little too oily for my hair. But today I'm just going to be using a little bit of the moisturizing cocoa water just because it is a little humid out today and I'm going out. So to prevent frizz, okay, so that is all I'm doing to my curls because I don't really need much. My curls still look really good. Alrighty guys, so these are my final results using the Gelessence on day 2. I really like how my curls still look so defined and so voluminous. So if I had to choose a line that I like, that I think it was my favorite, it will definitely be the Curlessence line. I really like how moisture... Alrighty, so if I have to choose between the lines, I really enjoyed the Curlessence line, and that is because I have really dry curls and it's very hard for me to find products that are so moisturizing. I actually really enjoyed the hold on the moisturizing curling jelly. It was my favorite. I really did like this and I like the smell of the whole line. And another one of my favorite definitely has to be the moisturizing cocoa water. I've never used any other product to substitute for water, and this really gave me the extra moisture that my curls are always in need of. So I really like this and I will definitely continue to use this product. So after using the products a few weeks now, a little definitely goes a long way. So for the Gelessence, I experimented only with the curl cream without the leave-in, and my hair didn't feel greasy like the first time. If you have thin hair, these products might be a little too heavy for your hair and might weigh down your curls. As for me, I have very dry curls, so my curls really did love these products. So if you would like to try some of the Curlessence products, I definitely recommend for you to try one product and see how it works out for your hair. Remember, all curls are different and not all products work for everyone. And also, not all ingredients work the same for all of us. So experiment and get to know your curls. Alrighty, so this concludes my review on Keracare. If you guys have never tried Keracare, Now that you've seen this video, I really hope you guys try it out and see how it works out for you. And like I said, you can find them at your near Sally Beauty Supply and also at Keracare.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're back to see my next video. Bye everyone.